Welcome back to the second video of 5 video series of hIOTron IoT development kit. In this video, we're going to see Highgate, which is an enterprise and modular IoT gateway. We're going to add a Highgate to the hIOTron IoT platform, and in the end, we're going to build a small project in which we're going to control this lamp using mobile app or web dashboard over internet. So without wasting a time, let's go back to the screen and build a project. Once we log into the platform, we will be presented with the dashboard. Before we go ahead and add Highgate to the hIOTron IoT platform, I would like to give you a quick introduction of Highgate. Highgate is the brain of this fully modular and enterprise IoT kit with EI-CC3200 at its heart, which offer better computational power to run advanced IoT algorithm and multiple communication protocols. In inbound connectivity protocols, Highgate supports Zigbee, BLE 4.0, SUB1, and in outbound connectivity protocols, Highgate supports Ethernet, Wi-Fi, cellular, 2G, 3G, 4G. Let's have a look at features. So in the features, Highgate is easy to configure through a web-based platform. It supports a dual mode of operation. It can be act as a node or as a gateway. Highgate supports up to 25 wireless high nodes. It supports auto reconnect feature for Wi-Fi and cellular network. Best for any industry standard sensor which falls under 4 to 20 milliampere and any industry grade actuator. For more information about Highgate and modular IoT kit, you can visit our official website www.hIOTron.com, and you can click on this more button and that will take you to the product page. On this product page, if you scroll down a little bit, you can see there are few buttons from where you can able to download a marketing brochure, user manual, and so on and so forth. So let's say if we want to look at the user manual, which will be a step-by-step guides about how to use an hIOTron IoT platform and Highgate and Highnote. So you can see all the things here. This documentation is available in online format as well. So if you go back and visit your dashboard, you can see in the left pane there is a documentation section. You can click on documentation and open in a new tab, and you can see here you have online documentation and help, so you can follow the step-by-step guide and you can able to get started easily with creating a project. You can also download this user manual from here as well. So let's go back and add the gateway. So the first step is to go to device manager. So right now we are into the device manager and hit on add gateway. Once we hit on to the add gateway, it will be presented with the screen, as you can see, the pop-up, and give it the name of your gateway. In my case, I would give it main hub, and then gateway ID. This gateway ID will be given to you with your product, so it will be provided from the manufacturer. So in my case, my gateway is having G-21 gateway ID, and password would also be presented to you. So let me insert my passcode and hit on add. Once it is done, you can see my gateway, which is main hub, is now connected to the internet, and I would go ahead and create a project which will be using this gateway. So I would like to go to the project manager. Once I click on project manager, I will be presented with the screen. In upper right corner we can see a create project button, so click on this. There you would have to give the name to the project. Let's say in this case I would give a smart light, and then we need to select the gateway. We just added G-21. We have to select a node, in this case gateway as a node, and in customization option you must select build your own IoT project, as we will be building our own project, and then hit on create button. Once you hit on create button, you will see your project has been added into the project list, and now you can able to see this project and able to customize it. So in this list, you will see this setting or gear icon. You just click on this. It will give you a customization option where in the first step you can see create, so you can click on next, so it will give you customization. In this project, basically we're going to turn on and off the lamp, so we are not going to look at the input channels. This is not in the scope of this video. We're going to make another video where we're going to see how to get the data from the sensor, but for now we only have to concern about the toggles. In the toggles, that reflects into the output channels, so let's turn on both channels. channel 1 and channel 2. So we would going to connect our lamp to O1, that is a channel 3. So let me give it a name. So in this case I would give it a name lamp and hit rename button, and as you can see right now it's been listed as a lamp. So O1 is listed with the lamp, and then I should have to hit on next. And as you can see in a toggle sections it is added, and you can able to see now the mobile view of your project. And you can now click on finish and you are almost done. Click on close. Okay, now you can see your project is listed and it is configured already. So let's go back to the project view and open up your project, smart light in this case. So if you click on this, you can see there is an O1 and O2 channel. So O1 channel is the one where we would going to connect a lamp. So let's connect the lamp and turn on and off the lamp.